Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
At Cash Auto Salvage, every car, no matter the condition of the vehicle or its make, model or year, has value. We keep the process quick, often completed in 24 hours, so you can get on with your day. We provide cash on the spot at the time of delivery or pickup.
Take our lead.
Junk cars with no title in Montgomery, Alabama. Add cash for cars. Automobile salvage. Used car dealers, truck brokers, automobile and truck brokers. 51-888-695-5344. Serving the Montgomery area. Add 1 hour cash for cars. Automobile salvage, auto repair and service, truck wrecking, towing. 1-844-746-8690. Add give a car project. Charities. 833-280-5220. Serving the Montgomery area.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
How do I get a replacement? An individual who can no longer find his/her title may apply at an office location of the License Commissioner. The cost is $19.25 payable by Visa, MasterCard, Discover, check or cash. Apply directly to the Alabama Department of Revenue. For a replacement title application, click here.
Take our lead.
How to sell a car in Alabama. Step 1. Allow the buyer to have the car inspected by a third party. Step 2. Organize and gather all related vehicle documentation. Step 3. Bill of sale. Step 4. Transfer the title. Step 5. Remove your plates and cancel your insurance.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.